Today we'll be looking at a 9th generation Honda Civic Si. Don't forget to check the video description. I'll have links to everything that I'm using, and if you want to go to different sections of the tune-up, you can click on the links in there as well. Engine bay clean. So all you'll need is some simple green for your engine bay clean, as well as some mechanic cloth towels. You can get hundreds of these for really nothing. And then just apply some friction and some simple green, and always spray it directly on the towel or on the cloth. Don't spray it on the engine, and just lift the dirt off. This is all you really need to do. You see some videos with people using like pressure washers, and there's no reason for that. This works great. It's effective and it's much safer. Spend some extra time underneath the oil cap just to get it nice and clean, and be careful not to introduce anything into the system. Also, spend some time over here on the reservoirs, the brake and the clutch, and try to clean the battery too.